Want to know how to set up and use the Dasher Red Card? Let's break it down quickly. The Dasher Red Card is a prepaid card that Dashers use to pay for shop and deliver orders. It's not linked to your bank account or earnings. It only gets funded when you check out. Getting and activating a physical Red Card. If you prefer a physical Red Card, you can order one for free from the DoorDash store. Once it arrives, open the Dasher app and go to the Red Card section. Tap. Activate a physical card and follow the instructions. If you run into errors, update the Dasher app, close it, and reopen. After activation, you can also add the card to your phone's wallet for contactless payments. Using the digital Red Card for iPhone users, double-click the side button to open Apple Pay. Select the Red Card and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Hold your iPhone near the card reader until you see a checkmark. For Android users, make sure Google Pay is set as your default payment app and NFC is enabled. Unlock your phone and hold it near the payment reader. A blue checkmark will appear when the payment is successful. If the payment doesn't go through, try adjusting how you hold your phone, bring it closer to the reader, or hold it for a few extra seconds. And that's it. Now you're ready to use the Dasher Red Card for seamless shop and deliver orders.